Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see ano yung energy sa inyo. Second half ng August. So that's August 16 to 31, 2026. General reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Aries, what's the energy? You have love, partnership. Okay. You also have perseverance and healing. Oh, wow. So some of you, Aries, kung meron kayong naging issues, problema, challenges with your partner, or anyone na malapit sa'yo, can be any form of relationship. You are healing during this time. Okay, maaring may aayusin, may pag-uusap, maaring yung mag-e-effort rin naman yung person na yan sa'yo, or you will do the effort as well to fix any issues around the relationship or partnership. Regardless kung ano to, romantic man to, family, friendship, or even sa business partnership. You are healing. Okay, overall energy mo. The Magician. Oh, Magician is about fixing things. Gagawan mo ng paraan. This is stepping into your own power. You are discovering more about yourself, yung iyong kakayanan, abilities. And I think yung iba sa inyo may self-mastery. It's like you are mastering your craft. Now, your challenge is the Two of Cups. So, ayun nga, yung partnership na yan, relationship can be a challenge, but definitely, merong maayos. Oo. Regardless kung, halimbawa, magkabate or hindi man, ibig sabihin, merong mabibigyan ng closure. Opportunity, you have the Five of Cups. Oh, some of you, parang meron kayong bibigyan ng chance. Because you realize that, pwede pang bigyan ng pagkakataon, na-realize nyo yung pagkukulang nyo, or this can be the person that you're dealing with, no? Na-realize nila yung pagkukulang nila sa'yo. Kaya, aayusin nila. Now, the blessing is the Tower. So, for some of you, kung mapunta man sa, separation, hiwalayan, or release, it's a blessing in disguise, no? Ibig lang sabihin niyan, kung di mag-work, edi hindi para sa'yo. Pero kung maayos, ibig sabihin para sa'yo talaga. Yes. So, this is about letting go, release. So, whatever this is na changing sa'yo in the next 2 weeks, no? Ngayong, second half ng August, it's a blessing in disguise. Now, your money, career, finances is the Four of Pentacles. So, you are focused on stability. You are saving more money. Maaring maayos ang takbo ng trabaho, business, career path mo. And then, your love life naman. The Emperor. Oh, this is bringing order in your love life and relationship. So, parang ikaw yung nag-take control ng relationship, na hindi mo nahahayaan na ikaw ay kontrolin ng iba, na you will take back your power. You will take your power back. Ganon. Okay. Let's see the final message for Aries. You can always rewrite the story. Ayan. So, this is a different version of yourself, na hindi porket, hindi naging maayos yung nangyari in the past, doesn't mean na wala ka ng kakayanan na baguhin to para sa kabutihan mo at ng future mo. Okay? So, there's always a way for you to fix things or put things in order. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.